Hello guys, good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Again, welcome back to this channel about job. In this video, I will share with you a job opportunity from Iceland. So if you are looking for a abroad job, so this is a golden opportunity for you. So keep watching this video till the end and know what is the job opportunity from Iceland, which is a European country. The job is fish streamer in Iceland. Contract type direct hire occupation fish streamer. The position is fish streamer. Job descriptions: fish factory in Sandgerði which is in Iceland, looking for fish filter. Field requirements: experience from working as a fish filter, English language skills preferred. Working hours 8 to 16 hours. Good money for the right person. Further answers are provided in the given official email ID. So the company did not mention any details. They just mentioned the official email ID and the job is fish trimmer. As you can see, this job is a very simple on-skill jobs. If you have simple experience, then you can apply for this job. No need any degree or anything. You just need you should have only experience as a fish trimmer. So the openings from Iceland, which is a European country, they're very high economical strong country. If you are getting a job in this country, you will get good salary and you can build your career in a proper way. So I hope if you apply for this job and if the company will select you and they will process you for the visa and everything, then you can move this country with a good salary and you can build your career in that country. So my suggestion will be to you, if you are ready to apply for this job as a fish trimmer, then prepare your CV and make a cover letter and forward it to the given official email ID. So if your CV will be shortlisted from the company, then you can proceed to forward. That means you can process for the visa and everything. So I hope you understand all the things what I am sharing with you right now. The official email ID and all details are also available in the descriptions below this video. Please go to the descriptions below this video and collect these informations. If you are ready to apply for this job as a fish streamer, then you can forward your CV and cover letter to the given official email ID and wait for the company response. As per your CV, they will shortlisting and they will call you for the interview. So this is the process, and the job is very simple job, fish streamer, and the salary you can negotiate after crack the interview. And I hope all information I am sharing with you. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And once again, I would like to suggest you please share these informations. If any of your friends and relatives want to move European country with a job and they don't have any specific skills, then this is a golden opportunity for them. Share to them, and also if you are interested to apply for this job, you can apply as soon as possible. So my suggestion will be to you, try to apply very soon so that your CV will be shortlisted for interview. Official email ID is here. Make a cover letter and make a proper CV and forward it to the given official email ID. So I hope you understand all the things what I am sharing with you right now. Again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will come with a latest job openings from other countries. After that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.